This new Master 2-in-1 electric staple gun and nail gun design for DIYers. Ideal for many light-duty DIY projects. No compressor is needed, and the nail gun features a quick-release mechanism and an overmolded grip for convenient use. Kit includes a brad nailer stapler, 200 pieces 0.6 inches brad nails, and 336 pieces 0.75 inches staples. The versatile machine can operate as a stapler to finish some projects such as thin ceiling tile and carpet padding installation, and as a nailer to finish some projects such as shelving, trim molding installation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The versatile 2-in-1 brad nailer stapler. Due to staples and brads that the corded nail gun and a staple gun are compatible with, there are numerous applications for this tool, such as general repairing, installing sheets of insulation, and attaching lightweight trim, etc. Number 2. Easy to use. The upholstery brad gun staple gun doesn't need a compressor and features a quick-release mechanism and an overmolded grip to combat grip fatigue during strenuous or time-consuming tasks. Number 3. More efficiently. The lightweight tacker can drive 30 shots per minute. It is more convenient, efficient to get the job done if the viewing window can show the quality of the nails and the time to refill the magazine. Number 4. Selectable power. Comes with power-adjusted knob. It's easy to improve the work efficiency by adjusting the nailing strength according to the needs of the work. Number 5. Quality assurance. Worry-free 2-year warranty. To help better use the nail staple gun, please read the instructions carefully before use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.